Welcome to this in-depth tutorial on 20 CRM. If you're looking for a powerful yet easy to use customer relationship management system, you're in the right place. Whether you're a small business owner, sales manager, or marketing professional, having an efficient way to manage customer interactions is crucial for business growth. In today's competitive market, businesses need to stay organized, track leads, and automate tasks to maximize productivity. 20 CRM is designed to help teams collaborate seamlessly, close more deals, and build lasting customer relationships. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started with 20 CRM, from setting up your account to managing contacts, tracking leads, automating workflows, and using advanced analytics to optimize your sales strategy. So by the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to navigate the platform, streamline your business processes, and take your customer management to the next level. But before we get started, first let us know what is 20 CRM. 20 CRM is a cloud-based customer relationship management software designed to help businesses organize, track, and improve customer interactions. It offers a user-friendly interface and robust features tailored to sales, marketing, and support teams. With 20 CRM, companies can easily manage leads, automate workflows, and generate insightful reports, all from a centralized platform. So, whether you need to track sales opportunities, run targeted email campaigns, or gain deep insights into customer behavior, 20 CRM provides all the essential tools to improve efficiency and drive revenue growth. Unlike many complex CRMs that require extensive training, 20 CRM is built with simplicity in mind, making it an excellent choice for businesses of all sizes, especially small and mid-sized enterprises looking to scale their operations. So to get started, simply head over 20 CRM's official website. As you can see, this is their official website, which is 20.com. And from here, simply click on Get Started to sign up for an account. So after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to your workplace. So I have already skipped the workplace creation. So basically, you'll just need to add in your workplace name. So as you can see, this is my workplace name right here in the top left. And these are all sample data. So basically here, as you can see, in the people section, this will be all of your contacts or all of the people you're associated with. This could be leads, this could be friends, this could be team members. So as you can see, it is all organized right here in a table format. So this is their names, this is their emails, this is created by whoever the member who added this contact, and also see their company, their phone numbers, creation date, their city, and also add in their job title and LinkedIn profiles. So to see the detailed version, simply click on the contact itself. So as you can see, have their names right here, their photos, all of this description and details. And also click here to create tasks for this client or this contact. So as you can see, you click on new task, you can add a new task right here and add the assignee. So let's say contact this person within 2 weeks. You can add something, a task, something like that. You can also add files. So basically, you can also add notes. You can see you can add notes to this specific contact. Maybe this is a highly urgent lead. You can also add files to this contact, emails, create emails. You can see the email exchanges that have happened with this contact. and of course the calendar. So to add a new contact, simply click here on new record in the top right. And as you can see, you can add in their first name, last name, and all of the details right here. So let's say you already have a bunch of different contacts and you want to sync them right here. You can always do the import. As you can see, click right here. As you can see, click on import records. So you can either upload an Excel file or a CSV file. So just follow these instructions right here and you're good to go. So basically, these are the people. Next is the company section. So as you can see, here are the companies. You can always add new companies if you want. So click on new record. Now click here, you can set the name, you can set the address, and all of this right here. So basically, if you have added a new company, of course, you can always arrange your contacts. You can add contacts who belong in that specific company that you have created, and so on. Next, we have the opportunities. So you can use their API or add your first opportunity manually. So let's see, add an opportunity. So you can add it right here. So let's say this is a urgent job or opportunity. Just simply add a name or the title that you want. You can select the amount, close date, stage, last update, and just simply save this. I won't be doing this right now, so just feel free to explore on how we can use the opportunities feature for yourself and for your business needs. Next we have the tasks. As you can see, there's the one I created earlier. This is the draft one. So we can always add in the title, status, relations, created by, and so on. By status, you can also view it like this. As you can see, we can add these cards to this different sections and the assign to me. Lastly is the notes. So of course you can always add your notes manually right here. So basically, 20 CRM is really a minimalist CRM. So if you don't want those other CRMs that has a bunch of different features that you don't understand, 20 CRM is really suited for you. As you can see, it's very basic, it's very minimal, and it's easy to understand. So simply feel free to explore more about how you can use its features and how to leverage your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.